Hi there, students. Venatic. Venatic. Okay, this is an adjective. This is related to hunting. So related to the pursuit, killing and capture of game and wild animals. It can also refer to a tribe who live like that. So Venatic can be hunting for sport or hunting as your livelihood. So maybe 25,000-30,000 years ago, man was a venatic creature. Yeah, they were, and then they became venatic gatherers. They were venatic gatherers. They would go around hunting and gathering the food, and then finally, man, he continued his venatic pursuits, but he settled down and mostly lived from farming. Okay, so venatic, related to hunting, of hunting. So a venatic lodge, yeah, a hunting lodge. Venatic equipment. Okay, so anything venatic is something that's related to hunting. He's a fan of venatic pursuits. Okay, so venatic, this related to hunting, venatic sports, venatic equipment, the venatic tribes who lived by hunting. I guess you could have an adverb, venatically, as well. So, yeah, the tribes lived venatically from hunting. So venatic, related to, used in hunting, people engaged in hunting, people given to hunting. So yeah, people who enjoy hunting. So notice this is a fairly rare adverb. This is one of these words that you're going to add to your collection, but that maybe native speakers are not going to know. So venatic, formality, I think I would give this an 8 in formality. You could also say venatical, but that's even more rare. Okay, so venatic, hunting, chasing, in the stalking, tracking of animals, searching for animals. Venatic dogs to help the huntsman. Okay, so a formal word, an unusual word, not something you will find every day. Used in a semi-formal conversation? No. Used in a semi-formal or formal writing, I think. Venatic, pertaining to hunting, involved in hunting. And then as to origin, well, this comes from Latin, venaticus, pertaining to hunting, from venatus, hunting, the chase, venor, the hunt, venor, the chase. Okay, so do you like venatic pursuit? Some people do. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Venatic.